Welcome to our guide on maintaining healthy poultry. Today, we will discuss the importance of sanitation in brooding. Cleaning and disinfection are key components of routine biosecurity. Proper sanitation helps protect your flocks from diseases and keeps them healthy. Disinfection kills harmful organisms like viruses, bacteria, protozoa, parasites, and molds that might be present at the end of a production cycle or after a disease outbreak. Cleaning is a three-step process: dry cleaning, wet cleaning, and finally disinfection. First, we have physical or dry cleaning. Remove all drinkers, feeders, and all other equipment and removable structures from the house. Next, remove all old bedding and dirt by placing it into bags. Next, sweep the chicken house with a dry brush and broom, removing as much leftover dirt as possible. Scrub the floor clean with a spade if needed. Good cleaning will remove 90% of the disease-causing microorganisms from your brooding area. Dispose of all old litter and remove it from the premises. Do not spread old litter near the chicken house, as it can spread disease. You can sell manure as fertilizer or remove it far away from the farm, at least half a kilometer away. Next is wet cleaning. Rinse the house with plain water and brushes to remove any remaining dust and organic matter. Wet cleaning reduces the risk of aerosolism viruses. If possible, add 3 milliliters of household bleach per 10 liter to the water you use to rinse the house. Will reduce the likelihood of spreading disease and parasites from the house to the surrounding area. Try to let the water you use flow away from the house without forming puddle, or let it soak into the ground in a sunny area so the sun can destroy any disease particles. Soak heavily solid areas like perches and floors using a low pressure sprayer. Soak until the accumulated dirt and manure have softened and can be easily removed. You can use spade to scrape off any stubborn dirt. For washing, use common detergent powders like Omo and Ariel. These are cheap and effective. Soak the area and scrub to remove remaining organic material, dirt and grease. Scrub the chicken house with water and detergent, paying attention to hard to reach areas. Use warm water, scrubbing, power washers, and steamers for better cleaning. Wash from top to bottom, including ceiling, rafters, windows, walls, doors, and floors. Rinse the soap off with clean water, with or without bleach again. Before drying, check the house for any drying matter left over. Allow the house to dry by opening doors and windows to let sunlight in. Make any necessary repairs to the structure before the final disinfection. Seal any rat or mouse entry holes inside and outside the building. Disinfection is crucial, but it will not be effective if there is any dirt left in the house. Disinfection kills the remaining disease agent after cleaning. It is more effective when you ensure the quality of both dry and wet cleaning is good. Use a disinfectant with glutaraldehyde and quaternary ammonium compounds. Make sure you use the correct dilution rates for the products and the right application methods for the maximum effectiveness. You can use a knapsack sprayer to cover the floor, the walls, and the ceiling, and all structures in the house. Alternatively, use a bucket with disinfectant solution and a soft broom to dip in the bucket and spread it into the house, scrubbing the disinfectant to a foam covering of all surfaces. Once all structures have been covered with the disinfectant, close the house for at least 1 day so it stays wet as long as possible for the best disinfection. Thank you for watching. Remember, proper sanitation practices are vital to raising strong and healthy chicken.